Hey, financial professionals, insurance agents. Hey, my name is Bob Miller, and I've been doing this thing lately here. I'm in my favorite place where I take my dogs in the morning, Fiesta Islands in Mission Bay, in San Diego, California. And as I walk around, I've been hiding little dollar amounts among the grass and rocks and things like that. And so I'm calling it, and I'm posting the videos on my Facebook wall, and I'm saying, hey, can you find it? Find what? Well, it's find the money. And so I think it's kind of cool. And then I started thinking, you know what we do with our company, what we do, we help people find money. Do you know that there's $17 trillion out there that's in qualified funds? These are funds that people don't have access to for the most part. These are funds that are going to be taxed when they take it up. These are funds that are at risk. They're at risk to the stock market. These are funds that have high fees attached, and the average fee is, I think, right now it's like 3 points or something like that. So those things eat away at the money that you think you're going to have in retirement. So how would you like to be able to help your clients to find more money at retirement? We have a system. Give me a call. I'm going to put my information down below. Give me a call, and then just all you need to do is watch our video. Sorry, this thing is a little shaky here because I'm just holding it with my hand. I usually set it up on something. But go ahead and give me a call. Go click the link down below and just get in touch with me. And I will show you how, after you listen to our short little presentation. It's actually about this long. It's about 40 minutes long. But I want you to get the whole gist of what we're doing. And then give me a call after you watch it. Give me a call, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay? So have yourself a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.